Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to print on one page in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. If you're wondering if you have tons of data within your hands and you can't fit it in one page, all you have to do is the following. First, check on whether or not your page breaks are properly adjusted. As you can see, we have our page break over here separated in 3 columns. So what we can do here is go to page layout and change the orientation depending on what we have. Since our data width is more than our data height, we can change our orientation to landscape. Now, it changed our page break over here, but don't worry about it. What we actually have to do is go to the print option on the File tab on the upper left corner of Excel. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and click on the print option. Once you're on print, you can see how many pages our current spreadsheet is separated by. You can see that there are 4 pages that represents the whole data of our spreadsheet. To actually fit it in one page, all we have to do is click on the no scaling option on the bottom portion of our print options. Once we click on that, we can just click on the fit sheet on one page. Once we do that, we should be able to see our data over here that is all fitted into one page. Now, be careful because once we have too much data in our spreadsheet and we print it on a small bond paper, let's say A4, we wouldn't really be able to read it. So make sure to change the paper size as well if you try to fit every data in one page. And there we have it. This is how we print on one page in Microsoft Excel.